Gladstone Pacific Nickel is an Australian company looking to take advantage of its proximity to over 70% of the world's known lateritic nickel ore resources in the southwest Pacific region. The company is currently finalising an integrated definitive feasibility study into constructing a high-pressure acid leach processing plant at Gladstone on the central Queensland coast. It will utilise nickel ore from its 100% owned Australian ore body blended with higher grade nickel ore imported initially from the east coast of New Caledonia. The city of Gladstone has a major regional industrial development area with significant infrastructure adjacent to a large deep-water port. Gladstone is already home to a substantial coal exporting facility, world-scale light metals plants, and a growing number of other major industrial companies. Stage 1 of the project will develop the Marlborough ore body, situated 180 kilometres northwest of Gladstone. The mining licence and all development approvals have already been issued. The total ore body strike length extends for 40 kilometres and is close to the main north-south highway and railway line. The ore will be transported to Gladstone either by rail or by a slurry pipeline. In addition, higher grade ore from New Caledonia will be sourced from mines at Cap Bocage and Nakati. A new mine and loadout facility will be developed in the Bogota area. The ore will be transported to Gladstone in Cape-size vessels, taking an estimated 4 days steaming time. The New Caledonia government has estimated that the island has over 30 million tonnes of contained nickel in their laterite ore resources alone. A fourth-generation high-pressure acid leach plant will be built at Yarwun in the Gladstone State Development Area close to the port. Design production for Stage 1 will be 60,000 tonnes of nickel and 5,000 tonnes of cobalt metal per year. The Queensland Government has allocated a 250-hectare site for the processing plant across the road from the planned Wiggins Island Export-Import Terminal, and there is sufficient area at this site to increase the size of the process plant fourfold. A dedicated conveyor line will transport the imported ore and sulphur from the planned Wiggins Island terminal to the stockpile area adjacent to the plant site. The existing Fisherman's Landing facility could initially provide bulk handling capability. An additional area of 2,000 hectares in the Gladstone State Development Area has been allocated for residue storage for about 50 years of the project at Stage 1. The overall plant will be designed to be flexible to processing various ore types and produce an intermediate nickel product as well as metallic nickel. Gladstone Pacific Nickel, a world-class opportunity.